ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure for me to welcome you to this Tech Innovation held on 28 to 30 September 2021 using the online platform. My name is Laksana Triandoko. I am the chairman of the National Research and Innovation Agency, the Republic of Indonesia. I am very honored to welcome the representative from research institutes, industries, investors, universities, startups, and other participants in this exhibition. I hope this event can be a starting point for our future collaboration. Tech innovation is actually a big opportunity for us to showcase our wide spectrum of research field, our development of technologies. We hope that our innovations can meet the industry and also the society's needs, and also be part of solutions benefiting our environment as the governmental institution working in research and innovation. In this event, we showcase our technology in particular related to health and wellness, sustainable food and nutrition, and also the supporting technology for green and blue economy. You can find also another innovations and learn more about our technologies and our booth. In addition to our developed technologies, we also showcase innovations coming from the startups and also small medium enterprises supported by our agency. This is very important to encourage their growth in developing a product, conducting product development that meets not only national standards, but also the international standards and also international customers. We are looking forward to collaborating with you as partners in utilizing our research and innovation in the future. We are also open to various cooperation schemes, such as the product development, product commercialization, or also licensing. Once again, welcome to our pavilion and discover our research and technologies we can offer for all of you. Hopefully, we can establish mutual collaboration in the future. The success of this event will also be our success together.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Teresia Ningsiastuti, Coordinator of Research and Innovation Infrastructure Partnership at National Research and Innovation Agency, or we call it BRIN. Today, I would like to deliver open infrastructure and innovation ecosystem at National Research and Innovation Agency. BRIN is the new organization. We are under the president, and we have 7 deputies, 25 directorates, 17 research organizations, and under the research organization, we have more than 100 research centers. We have a program in 2022 for development policy and research and innovation talent management, strategic and technology infrastructure improvement, research and innovation facilitation, utilization of research and innovation, regional research and innovation, space, art, engineering, biodiversity, social humanities, nuclear energy, and technology application. Research infrastructure laboratory as open research platform. For example, integrated genomic biodiversity and environment, the biodiversity, integrated lab and bioproduct, NICC, high performance computing, basic, biosafety level 3 and 2, in vitro diagnostic, integrated traditional food processing standard, good manufacturing and traditional medicine, lab-appropriate technology, lab of testing technology, lab of advanced characterization of physics, mineral, chemistry, metallurgy, and oceanography. We have new infrastructure. For example, Indonesian Biodiversity Collection Center, greenhouse display, integrated genomic biodiversity and environment, lab of geodiversity, geoconservation museum, and international dormitory, laboratory of CGMP and halal, and basic, strategic local mineral processing laboratory based on low cost and zero waste technology, incubation and laboratory of remote sensing data and information service integration, Earth station controlling and receiving satellite data, high energy electron accelerator, spaceport, national observatory. We have also marine research visa. In existing, we have 5 visas, and next 2 years, we have the new one. We also manage 5 botanical gardens in Indonesia, located in Bogor and Cibinong, Cibodas, Purwodadi, and Bali. Indonesia rare plants about 835 species, and Indonesia rare plant collection in Indonesia Botanical Garden is about 165 species. And then collection and living plants in the Indonesian collection of Indonesian Botanical Garden is 104,761 specimens. This is our Bogor Botanical Garden, and this one Bali Botanical Garden. And what is the collaboration scheme if you want to collaborate with BRIN? We have industry facilitation. We have Cibinong Science and Technopark, incubator for startup and SMEs, lab services like a testing, analyzing, characterization, licensing and commercialization, joint research and development, research internship and student exchange, joint laboratory and consultancy. Research innovation ecosystem in BRIN, we have 3 facilitated like a human resource, infrastructure, and budget. We invite another partner from private company or industry, both local and international, startup, public, global network, and lecturer and student. In this tech innovation, we showcase our technology and health and wellness, green sustainable and future, sustainable food and nutrition. We also have international partnership and membership, and startup and SMEs under BRIN. And please feel free to contact me by email or LinkedIn. Finally, thank you and welcome to BRIN Pavilion.
Hi, I'm Ika, founder and CEO of BRIN Indonesia. We are offering non-timber-based furniture technology to alternative using wood products. Basically, Greeny is a science-based startup which established in 2020 during the pandemic situation in Indonesia. We are produce sustainable furniture from non-timber forest products and agricultural waste to support sustainable development goals. Greeny itself means a person who campaign the protection of the environment by bringing innovation for sustainable living. As we know that many of us buying furniture, especially millennials, they spend their money to buy furniture. According to the research from Foresight in 2022, there is 47% of millennials buy furniture, and the market size of the furniture exceeded 545.78 billion US dollar in 2022. And it's estimated to exhibit 5.4% compound annual growth rate from 2021 to 2027. The industry is forecast to cross more than 60,000 kilotons volume of furniture by 2027. It's growing at around 4.8% growth rate of the furniture in global market size. Like always, a new study suggests home furnishing do have a surprising impact on the environment. Conducted by my toolset, the report suggests the average piece of furniture generates approximately 47 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent, which is roughly the same amount of greenhouse gases produced by burning around 5.3 gallons of petrol. And then, could you imagine if the real enemy of climate change turned out to be furniture? The answer is yes, if we're still using conventional technology. Then Gurini offer breakthrough technology in the furniture industry by presenting non-timber based furniture with low formaldehyde emission. This technology has been tested in areca-based non-timber furniture, and the results show that the emission was below 0.5 milligram per liter, which is standard allow was 0.5 to 5 milligram per liter. As you can see on the slide, this is the current characteristic of the technology that has been patented in Indonesia and tested using Indonesian standard and Japan industrial standard method. And this is the illustration picture. If we apply this technology to furniture product using areca particle board from areca leaf sheet. Why we are using areca? Because areca is tropical Asian palm found widely in humid tropical forests across Southeast Asia. The areca fiber possesses superior particle properties such as being lightweight, strong, and then eco-friendly and has low maintenance costs. Instead of being burned by farmer, we tend to use this areca as the strategy to reduce greenhouse gases emission. Well, we are seeking the R&D collaboration in order to develop more potential adhesive coating technology to laminate the furniture and add more value, and then processing technology as well. In the addition, we also welcome co-investment in current technology with 100 money rising thousand equal with 9% equity. This investment will be used for machinery, R&D, marketing, and intellectual property like eco-labeling and ISO certificate for international commercialization and also operational costs. If you are interested with Greeny, please contact us and don't forget to visit our booth in Techno Innovation 2022. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Ninanga Ari Widyastuti from Nanobubble Karya Indonesia. Today I'm going to present about nanobubble technology for improving water quality. Nanobubble Karya Indonesia, known as nanobubble.id, is the first nanobubble technology manufacturing company in Indonesia. Our nanotechnology used for the better aquaculture, improve water quality, and agriculture ecosystem. Our technology has been used in about 30 districts in Indonesia and exported to 2 countries such as Malaysia and Korea. Now, nanobubble technology implemented in several industries such as fisheries, agriculture, water treatment, poultry, and healthcare. There are two main problems that actually lead to the invention of nanobubble technology. The first one is the harvest value of marine products due to poor water quality that leads to low productivity of marine products. while we actually have high demand in this industry. And our concern is that we will never meet this demand if we never solve those two problems. And there are several problems that follows those two main problems. The first one is the high cost for chemical water treatment process. Second one, the hazardous residue left after processing. Equipment maintenance for wastewater treatment is quite expensive. And the last one is actually opportunity for us in hydroponic and aquaponic development, where we have a lot of people desire to collaborate to inventing better hydroponic and aquaponic system. In this slide, it explains about the nanobubble technology, where we actually utilizing different sizes of bubbles or particles in water. And this technology in nanobubble, we utilize the nanobubble or ultrafine, just like the name nanobubble technology. We use ultrafine bubble, which is the smallest size of a water particle that can survive in water better than the other bubble size, and can increase the dissolved oxygen or dissolved gases in water, and finally can increase the water quality. And in this slide, explain about the result of research in nanobubble technology that applied in raised pond stream Situbondo, East Java. The conclusion of this result is the growth of the stream is actually higher by utilizing nanobubble, and nanobubble can also increase the survival rate from 78 to 95. Other benefits are to remove other organisms that can cause low survival rate, and also degrade organics and inorganics matter. And this is our mode of collaboration. The first one is market commercialization, where we directly sell the product to the market, and sometimes through resellers. R&D collaboration, where we collab with other laboratories in Indonesia, such as LIPI, business partnership, and also taste-based opportunity in operational environment. In this case, we collaborate with the government to create a better environment by utilizing nanobubble technology. That's all about Nanobubble Karya Indonesia. Thank you so much. I'm Arvidia Suti.
Hi everyone, I'm Wina Sianingrum from Nilam Corporation. They concern on producing sanitary pads. But now I will introduce one of our innovation. Start from Sidoarjo. Sidoarjo is a small village in Ponorogo, East Java, generally labeled as idiot village, since there are many villagers having mental retardation. This phenomenon occurs due to a rat plague that devastates all crops and food supplies in this village renowned. Famine and malnutrition may be causing mental retardation in previous generation children in those areas. Sidoarjo also suffered long period drought. And this is not happen only in Sidoarjo. Drought is widespread. Drought is a global crisis. When I visit there, I was absorbed by the situation. How can I help these people? And how the land can keep living and grow? How to keep the water for crops? And after researching, the solution I found is superabsorbent polymer or SAP. In 2018, Rahma succeeded in making a simple SAP polymerization method from orange peel using solar radiation for 2 days with an absorption capacity of 800%. On the other hand, pachali is an economic source for farming communities in several provinces in Indonesia. Indonesia supplies 90% of the world's pachali oil, but essential oil production only uses the leaves and leave a total 95% of solid waste. However, pachali twigs contain high cellulose, which can be used as SAP. Nilam, or Potassium cabling pen, or pachali twig component can collaborate with orange peel as a SAP innovation. Utilizing SAP from Pacholi Tweak can create entrepreneurial diversification of local agricultural products, so the commodity can be more valuable and beneficial. Nowadays, most SAP are made from petrochemical. Unfortunately, this material is costly, has toxic potential, not biodegradable, and also not sustainable. However, SAP containing biopolymers typically have higher cost and lower performance than their fully synthetic counterparts. As a consequence, we need a new breakthrough as an eco-friendly SAP with low prices, biodegradable and high performance. And here we present Nilam SAP, partially tweaked and orange peel superabsorbent polymer for better pharma blend. Through various experiments, we obtained the most efficient method with the highest absorbency result, namely Pacholi Twig SAP, has the best absorbency with 5 hours UV polymerization, while Orange Peel SAP with 2 days of sunlight polymerization. Both then combined with the ratio 2 to 3 and reach 970% of absorbency level. In arid areas, the use of SAP is to increase its water holding capacity, seems to be one of the most significant means to improve the quality of plants. The SAP particles may be taken as miniature water reservoirs and keep the ground moist. With great biodegradability, sustainability, high absorption, and low production costs due to natural ingredients and easy methods, Nilam SAP is ready to be produced and get a patent. We and our team have also tasted Nilam SAP directly in Sidoarjo village, Ponorogo Regency, as well as a form of empowerment to mentally retarded residents. And it is proven that during the dry season, they can still cultivate the land. We plan to start commercialization independently. We plan to reach consumer, producer, government, and investor by local innovation and strong branding. Why? Because we want to this innovation cannot only reach national level, but also internationally recognized to seek an opportunity to fix environmentally problem our world is facing. That's all. Thank you for your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Rengku Banyumahandaru, CEO of Pulpa Indonesia. Pulpa is the one of the community-based initiative that focus on utilizing the processing non-timber agricultural waste from areca palm plantation to provide alternative economy opportunity for people who live in conservation area. I have started initiative with individuals with various background, including researcher, NGO, architect, innovation strategist, and design development and engineer. We have combined design, technology, and community developed to create collaborative solution to tackle social issue. One of the biggest researcher collaborative was done with LIPI, the Indonesian Institute of Science. As we all probably know, Indonesia is the second rank in the world as producer of plastic waste into the sea after China. This is correlated with the problem of single-use plastic waste in managed properly, causing environmental damage to marine ecosystem. There are currently 150 million tons of plastic in the world ocean. This number will increase again if the trend urbanization as well as production and consumption continues. Based on research in 2029, there were almost 19 million pieces of disposable packaging used from the food delivery service in Indonesia through existing digital platform, with the economic transaction value 30 million in 2020. It's quite a huge number, right? And the World Bank also predict if the situation continue, it will increase the poverty number in Indonesia by 20%. To address the issue, we found out that we could contribute to minimizing the waste issue and the same time providing economic potential that can be beneficial for the community by leveraging the available agricultural waste using technology intervention. The waste from areca plantation is transformed into eco-friendly packaging. From the environmental lens, Pulpa is environmentally friendly because 100% biodegradable, made from non-timber forest and locally available material. For economic and business perspective, Pulpa creates a resilient local economy by activating local modern cooperative, initiating alternative income for farmers, and and local community, and also introducing and mainstreaming micro manufacturing. One objective of Pulpa is enabling access to affordable, eco-friendly packaging that suits various needs. The packaging will be degrade with 60-day food grade safe and water resistant, and can be heated and microwave or oven. Behind the final product, we apply an adaptable technology system by introducing micro-manufacturing to the community where our pilot project was held. The machines are efficient, compact, and easily maintained, so after training, community members are now in charge of most manufacturing process in the machine design and developed by Pulpa team. It's also suitable for remote area like Indonesia. Our production location is Mendis Village, Musi Banyuasin, South Sumatra. The material source is coming from East Tanjung Jabung Barat, Jambi. We include farmers and minority groups such as women and local youth in the process. Within 2019 and 2020, we already include at least 20 family group of smallholder farmers, and there is an average income by 105 USD. Pulpa also contribute to job creation for unskilled workers, unemployed women, and youth. Taking about industry, innovation, and infrastructure, Pulpa has support domestic technology by implementing micro-manufacturing system in 5 areas across Indonesia. We also promote responsibility production and consumption cycle. Pulpa save 5 million areca palm leaf seed per year for being burned and polluting environment. Estimate emission saving is 1.130 kilo carbon per product due to the use of our carbon neutral product. And now, about more the collaboration as well, the market, we have been focusing on B2B market, and we divide the market into 3 stages. In stage 1, we collaborated with small chain community. Stage 2, we collaborated with medium chain F&B, and stage 3, we collaborated with the larger multinational chain brand with average demand around 62 million packaging a year. Okay, thank you. My presentation, my presentation, and I hope is impact and bigger, like a profit we can get. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ajihar. I am from PT Gerling Utama Mandiri from Indonesia. I will introduce. I will have presentation here for my products. That's called high flow nasal canoe, or SFNC, for accelerate COVID-19 patient healing. Next is organization profile. The profile company name is PT Gerling Utama Mandiri. It's a manufacturing company in the geotechnical and health sector. We produce geotechnical equipment in accordance with the international standard of American standard testing of materials and medical device with certificate of passing the test and marketing authorization from the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia. We do high quality research and development for weird equipment that need by society for, so our products are able to compete with the another product in regional scale. At the end of 2019, the COVID-19 pandemic began. We are researching how to reduce the risk of death of COVID-19 patients. After conducting various studies, we finally conclude that normalizing the patient breathing is the key. Therefore, we create a device that can increase oxygen saturation in the blood, namely GLV-FNC. This product is a result research collaboration with LIPI Research Institute of Indonesia with PT Gerling. This product is one product needed by COVID-19 patient during this pandemic. The oxygen therapy high flow nasal canoe is oxygen therapy compressed an air oxygen blender and active humidifier. A circuit and a nasal canal. It can deliver heated and dehumidified medical gas up to 60 liters per minute. Now, and this technology is HFNC can increase the flow and fraction of oxygen. Some SFNC is used different methods. Some has use oxygen blender, some has use blower, and some use jet flow. In these products, Gerlip SFNC, the method uses jet flow. You can see this on the image. So we need oxygen input maybe from tanks or from central oxygen in the hospital. So in this system can be various of the fraction and the flow, and that can be used for the hypercepnia patient and improving the hypercapnia. This is the look of the products. This technology using flow rate is up to 60 LPM, and humidifier can near to 80%. Can be humidified oxygen that deliver to the patient. And we are looking for licensing business contract with overseas country. So in my country, we have installed to various region in Indonesia, and the total is facility can installed is almost covered to all region in Indonesia except Papua. So thank you for your attention. We thank you for your attention. Sorry for my speak, and see you next time. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Santi, CEO and founder of PathGen Diagnostic Technology. We're providing low-cost PCR and digital pathology-based molecular diagnostic platform for cancer. Our vision is to achieve global equity in precision medicine.
My name is Santi. I am a cancer researcher. In the middle of working on my research, I was diagnosed with stage 3 colorectal cancer. At that time, I had so many questions. Why me? I'm quite young. Then I remember my cousin was diagnosed with cancer too. Is this disease inherited in the family? Are the drugs given to me effective? Can I be cured? How long can I survive? I believe many others with the same condition as the one I have ask the same things. As a cancer researcher, I knew that the treatment for cancer patients varies from one patient to another depending on the genetic mutation profile of each patient. Thus, molecular diagnostic tools are very much needed to be able to guide doctors to provide appropriate and useful therapy. It is also important to understand the familial risk of the disease. Unfortunately, molecular diagnostics is still difficult to reach by the majority of cancer patients in many parts of the world because of the high price in the market, including in Indonesia. Through excellent research and innovation, PathGen Diagnostic Technology would like to provide affordable molecular diagnostic solutions to support better management of cancer and other diseases in developing countries. Driven by our young and highly enthusiastic teams supported by world-leading experts in the field, PathGen's vision is to democratize molecular diagnostics to achieve global equity in precision medicine. PathGen, molecular diagnostics for all.
Our product disrupts cancer care as point-of-care diagnostic tool for guiding therapy, detecting familial risk, and predicting prognosis. These include the PCR-based tests, Colomel and PulmoAmDX for colorectal and lung cancer, and FUMI, the disruptive AI-assisted digital pathology integrated platform. Our PCR-based test is simple, robust, and accessible using common real-time PCR instrument. The digital pathology solutions include shareable cloud workspace and with teaching functionality and mobile integration, in addition to fast, unbiased, artificial intelligence assisted image analysis for histology samples. Our solution would impact 72,000 patients in Indonesia alone and save $22 million for ineffective therapy per year. We are aiming to penetrate to 70% of Indonesia market by inclusion into Indonesia universal health coverage and 20% of remaining developing countries market. We are offering at least 5 times cheaper product compared to other non-next generation sequencing competitors, and even much lower pricing for digital pathology solution compared to the current available platform. Currently, our traction focuses more on ColomelDX, the molecular test for colorectal cancer, using $100,000 grant received in 2020 from Islamic Development Bank. Clinical validation in UK and Indonesia show 100% concordance with much expensive reference method. Our survey shows that 90% of clinicians positively anticipating the product. Early implementation will be in fourth quarter of 2021 in Indonesia National Cancer Center. This will be followed up by scale-up and commercialization as in vitro diagnostic test at the first quarter of 2022 in collaboration with Biopharma, Indonesia's state-owned biotech company, one of the largest in Southeast Asia. Within a year, the forecasted revenue will be about $1.2 million. We are collaborating with key industry for commercialization of our products, and revenue will be generated through royalties or share profit. PathGen has my unique insight as both survivor and cancer researcher. The team is supported by young and driven research and business development talent, as well as world-leading scientists, clinicians, and business managers from the UK, Australia, and Indonesia as the advisory board. PathGen is benefiting from strong ecosystem between academia, industry, and policymakers, as well as communities. We believe we can really make significant impact in health sector in developing countries. We are looking for investors and partners for 2 major goals: commercialization of first iteration of our product and development of the automatic system, including our digital pathology solution for wider market reach. Please join us, because if you talk about tech for good, then you will be talking about PathGen. Thank you.